human beings have very, very deep needs for choice and freedom. And anytime that we begin having the perception that we're being made to do something or we have to do something, even if it's coming from internalized scripts that start running in our own minds, I don't have a choice and I have to, and I'm a bad person if I don't, any of that, it's worth slowing down and rewriting the scripts, really working consciously with yourself to get back into a place of choicefulness, slowing down to find out what needs are being met if I choose to do this, what needs are not being met if I choose to do this. And then the same for the opposite. Does that make sense? You make a little, like, if I do it, the needs met and unmet. And if I don't do it, the needs met and unmet. There are very few things in life where everything is going to line up exactly perfectly, that all of your needs are met all of the time. There's a lot of wisdom in making choices, knowing that there aren't a lot of perfect solutions, that I'm choosing to prioritize some needs over other needs. And not because they're not important, but because I'm working within whatever the conditions are that I'm working in. And I want to do it in a conscious way, in an intentional way. And then I can feel sad and grieve the things that are not going to work in this situation or the needs that won't get met. But if I can stay in a place of conscious, compassionate choicefulness, it will change my experience of the same conditions. I actually don't need everything out there to change as much as I need to find a way of being with it in here that can be really different. And one of the things that we do there is no self-violence, no self-violence. You are not bad. Your feelings are not bad. The things emerging in you are not bad. These are not things that are bad about you. These are messages. So that's like listening to ourselves differently. So thank you so much for bringing in that situation. It's very timely and very, I'm sure there are other people who could, let me just say this. I know that I completely relate because I have very similar feelings about the whole thing. So